Hey guys, in this video, I'll give you an inside look on how Anthony Morrison has made $2 million in commissions from Clickfunnels. I'm also giving away free prices, so if you want to know how to get the free prices, stick to the end. Hey guys, back again here. So I just want to get straight to the point. Clickfunnels is a product that charges its customers every month. When you become an affiliate of a product that charges its customers every month, it's because you see the incredible opportunity of earning passive recurring commissions every month. If you want for the people that purchase the product through your affiliate link to stick with the product and stay with it for the long run, you have to make sure those people stay educated. If those people don't stay educated, you're going to lose them and you're not getting commissions every month anymore. What Anthony Morrison did was exactly that. He created an educational ecosystem that educates people on how to use Clickfunnels. Also, Anthony Morrison is giving affiliate marketers the opportunity to tap into his ecosystem for just $7 a month. So if you want to take a quick look at it, I'm going to show you right now how it looks inside of Anthony Morrison's educational ecosystem. So let's just go to my computer and I'll show you guys right now. Hey guys, Sammy here. So I just want to give you a quick look at the ecosystem that Anthony Morrison has built that has made him over $2 million in affiliate commissions with Clickfunnels. So this ecosystem right here is basically, it's just teaching affiliate marketers how to build their affiliate marketing business. If you want to do certain things in life, you need certain things. For affiliate marketing, you're going to need certain basic tools to build your affiliate marketing business. And these are the tools right here. Just 3 basic tools that you need to get started: a link tracker, a funnel builder, Clickfunnels, and an autoresponder, just get response. So this is what Anthony Morrison does. He just teaches people about affiliate marketing, and as they go through, they're going to have to get these tools. And the good thing is that he lets affiliate marketers tap into this ecosystem by just paying $7 every month. So that means that instead of Anthony's link right here, is going to be your link. Instead of his Clickfunnels affiliate link is going to be your link, and instead of his get response link is going to be your get response affiliate link. And Anthony's going to be doing all the training, so you are not going to have to teach anybody. All you have to do is refer people, get people inside the ecosystem, and as they go through, they're going to have to build redirects, Clickfunnels, and get response, and your affiliate link is going to be there. So you're going to be the one getting the commissions, not Anthony. So yeah, this is pretty amazing that he has let a lot of affiliate marketers tap into the system, and it's just $7 a month as well. And as you go through the program, you're going to see how you get access to other commissions that he has available within his ecosystem. Hey guys, just want to go over real quick over the bonuses that you're going to get once you sign up through my link for the Partner with Anthony program. So the bonuses that you're going to get include sales funnel training, includes email marketing training, and also includes paid traffic training. This training is done by my 7-figure mentor, Sebastian Gomez. He's a 7-figure internet marketer. He has helped a ton of people build their internet marketing business. I'm one of his students, and he gave me and a few other of his students access to a members area, and he gave us permission to give it for free. All right, so let me break down the sales funnel training. The sales funnel training is going to teach you what is a sales funnel. He's going to teach you how to make money with the sales funnel. He's going to teach you how to build it step by step and a few other things as well. On the email marketing training, he's going to teach you how to build your list step by step. He's also going to teach you how to make money with your email list step by step, how to read active campaign reports. He's going to teach you a few other things as well. On the paid traffic training, you're going to have Fabian. Fabian is part of my mentor's marketing agency. Fabian has also spent over $2 million in paid traffic, so he really knows what he's talking about, and he's going to dive really deep on paid traffic, more specifically though with Facebook ads. I also want to give you access to the Entrepreneur Library Club. More details of the Entrepreneur Library Club are at partnerwithanthonynow.com. Hey guys, real quick over here, I just want to go over the steps that you're going to need to take in order to sign up for the Partner with Anthony program. So when you go to partnerwithanthonynow.com, you're going to see a page like this right now. Once you go to that page on partnerwithanthonynow.com, you're going to see a list of the bonuses that you're going to get if you sign up with my link for the Partner with Anthony program. Once you get to the page, click on the button that says sign up. Once you click on the button that says sign up, something's going to pop up that's going to say, tell me where to send you your bonuses. So you put your email there, you click on the button, and then it's going to take you to a pre-recorded training done by Anthony Morrison, and then you're going to have an option there to sign up for the Partner with Anthony program for just $7. Once you're in the pre-recorded training, where Anthony's there teaching people how he made money with affiliate marketing, you're going to see how he made $1 million. So I know I just showed you how he made $2 million. That training is just a pre-recorded training from like a year ago, where Anthony had just made $1 million. Right now, recently though, he already made $2 million. So I just don't want you to get confused, thinking that I'm trying to trick you, that he made $2 million, but he actually made $1 million on the training. Don't get confused, it's just a pre-recorded training. So just go ahead and sign up for the Partner with Anthony program. All right guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you like Anthony's methods making $2 million in affiliate marketing with Clickfunnels. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for videos ahead. Thank you so much.